The headphones that came with your RS-255 or RS-275 TV headphones were designed for extended listening sessions. And because you'll own them for a long time, we made the internal battery and ear cushions user replaceable, meaning at any time you can swap them out for new ones, and it requires no special skills or tools. Practically anyone can do it, and I'm going to show you how. Let's go. First, power off your headphones. The left side houses the battery, so pinch and pull the ear cushions off. Using a compact screwdriver, loosen the 3 screws that you see right here. Now, move the attached baffle to the side to reveal the battery. Keep it attached and note the color coding of the battery. Pull the tab to unmount the battery. Hold down the ear cup with one hand, pinch the harness, and gently wiggle it while pulling to detach it. Once you have made your swap, go in reverse. Insert the wire harness, noting the color coding. Seat the battery, strap it in, and put the baffle back in place. Now, remount it with the screws. Line up your ear cushion with the collar of the pad and roll the ear cup all the way around. Just like that, you're back in the action. Thanks for watching.